Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So listen, I came on because I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I just came on to talk about a few things. And let me say this before I get started. If y'all have not seen my most recent videos, please check those out. I will put those in the description box. I know I'm supposed to be looking here, but sometimes I tend to look here at myself. But yeah, so I'm just going to go over some stuff really quick. I want to talk about the sponsorship thing because I keep getting a lot of questions on, it's not a bad thing, but like I get quite a few people that ask me why I haven't done any sponsorship videos. Do companies, are they not reaching out to you? Things like that. And that's not it, y'all. Listen, one of the reasons, and I have had companies reach out to me, but listen, one of the reasons I'm not putting myself out there like that, meaning if y'all watch my channel, y'all already know I don't have any contact information like in my description box on my YouTube channel. And even if you go to my Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, like I didn't put any of that up there. Like I don't have any contact information. And yeah, so the reason why I've done it is because I did it on purpose. Like I'm not ready for sponsorship just yet. Now I know a lot of people might say that sounds crazy, you could do this and that, but I'm the type of person, like I like to do more research. I understand what sponsorship is. Yes, I've researched it. I watch people's videos when they talk about sponsorship and like how it works and the pros and the cons and all of that stuff. So I will do it. Just give me some time. Let me get my stuff together. You see what I'm saying? Because if I do put myself out there, when I do put myself out there saying, like open up for collabs and here's my contact information and all that stuff, I want to make sure that, I have certain things in place, like starting off with my apartment. Now I am in my spare bedroom, y'all can see, and I cleaned, oh my God, I cleaned out a lot of stuff, took stuff back and forth to storage. So now I am able to, let me show y'all. It's not like a full tour, but you could see what I'm talking about. Look, I'm able to get in and out. So yeah, this room came a long way. I got stuff in storage bins. So that's the main thing. Like I wanted to, get my place in order, get more organized, right? And then I'll put like contact information and all of that stuff out there, because this is just me. I don't see the point. Like it just wouldn't work for me if I was to have my information out there and my place is like, what I mean? Not organized and I got to look through stuff. You see what I mean? So getting sponsorships, that means they're going to send you stuff. And where am I? You know what I mean? Like I just ain't want to just have all that going on. And I just didn't feel like that I'm ready for that just yet. So yeah, so that's why the only way you can contact me is on Instagram. And I've had a couple companies reach out to me on Instagram. They will message me, things like that. But once again, like I said, I haven't put myself out there. I don't have that in my bio on Instagram, and I don't have it on my YouTube channel. And that is why, because I'm just not ready to do that just yet. Another thing is I'm still trying to, because I only been on YouTube for what, 2 years. Only been on YouTube for 2 years, y'all. So a lot of stuff I had to learn, you know what I mean? Like as far as me editing my videos, I had to get the right music, stuff like that. And I'm still learning every day, y'all. I'm learning something new every day. It's not like you'll get other YouTubers that will reach out to you and say, hey girl, you know, I can help you with this. Like that doesn't happen. I'm just saying it's not going to happen. I'm not looking for nobody to show me the ropes and stuff. You know what I mean? It's pretty much like yeah, you just got to figure it out on your own, and I'm okay with that. You know, I know y'all see other channels, they get sponsorships, they doing this, they doing that, but me, I'm a little different, y'all. Like I move a little slower, and when I get ready, you know, then like I said, I will put myself out there. That's just it. But it is coming. Only thing I have, what is it? I have the, y'all know I got my Amazon. I love my Amazon, and I appreciate y'all for clicking the links, because y'all always be clicking my links, you know. So I got that going on, and then I do have the Walmart, and I know it's like other things that you can do besides, you know, the Amazon, the Walmart. Like you could they have like other affiliate programs for different stores and stuff like that. But like I said, with me, I like to take baby steps. I just don't want to just be doing this and doing that, doing this. Like I like to take my time, do my research a little bit more, get a better understanding, things like that, y'all. You know, so I know like with sponsorships, you know, a lot of people, they get the free stuff. I heard somebody say that their subscribers could get a what is it, get a discount, stuff like that. I understand that, but just bear with me. It's coming, and it'll probably, like, I'll probably put my information out there like after Christmas, because y'all know right now, don't look, okay, I got everything in this journal, this calendar thing that I will be doing for Christmas, and you know, just stuff like that. I've been trying to stay consistent doing my videos. Like I've been trying to give it to you, if not every 2 days, I'm trying to do like every day. Now I'm able, look, I got my storage bins, y'all. Now I'm able to, like when I get ready to do a video, I don't have to dig through stuff all crazy no more. I know where stuff is. Like in this tote, I know what's in there. So when I need something, y'all, I can just go in there and I can get it. You see what I'm saying? What else? That's just it. But after Christmas, definitely after Christmas, I will put an email out there, like a contact email. What else? You know, that kind of stuff. My bio on my Instagram, that will change, because if you follow me on Instagram, like there's really nothing in my bio. Only thing I have, I think it says home decor and shopping hauls. Like that's it. You know, that's all I have in there, because that's all I'm doing right now. I'm not ready to do any collabs and things like that. Not just yet. So after Christmas, you know, I'll make up an email where they can contact me. Whoever can well, let me say this. Companies only, they can contact me and all of that stuff. But so far, it's only been on Instagram. I've had, you know, companies reach out to me, and then you get some people, well, some companies will leave a comment, you know what I'm saying, on my post on Instagram. asking for a collab. And those ones is the ones I be side-eyeing like, If you leave me a comment on one of my posts on my Instagram page talking about a collab, it's like, I don't pay that no attention. I consider that spam. But like if you inbox me, then you know what I'm saying? You know, that's different if you message me. But right now, Sparkle is not yeah, like I'm not doing no collabs and stuff right now. I got to get stuff together here. I got to focus on my content. Yeah, it'll be nice to get free stuff, but I'm really not, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm getting new stuff anyway. Furniture, you know, so I be buying my stuff. The stuff I know that I want to get, you know. Like I said, after Christmas, you know, I will have contact info and all of that stuff. You know, I'll be organized with that. Yeah. So that's just what it is. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting. Yeah, so look. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Okay, let me show y'all something. Because I still didn't get me another tripod. I have my ring light tripod, but that thing is too big. So, okay. See, I got everything, you know. Everything. Like, it's so much better. I'm able to walk in here. Some pictures that I have, I said I was going to, like, hang them on the walls. Y'all know this is going to be my little this is my workspace. I'm at my little desk. Let me show y'all my desk. Hold on. Look at this. Because I got mail. Hold on. I'm going to show y'all. Give y'all a sneak peek of my desk. Really quick. Hold on. Look, and this is how I look. This is how I got the... Because this is my little stand, but it's not for, you know, but that's how I have it propped up. But this is my little desk. That's my desk. Real cute, huh? I don't know, I'm trying to get y'all to see. Okay. Yeah, but that's my little desk. So, put y'all back up here. I got the paper. Hold y'all. Lip gloss. Okay. So, yeah. That's it. Got Christmas videos coming. Hold on. Christmas videos coming. I got one more tablescape that I want to do for Thanksgiving. Yeah, I got a table set up I want to do, and I want to do that because what I had bought, this part was like maybe almost like 2 months ago, and it's for Thanksgiving. Like, it's something that you use for Thanksgiving. So I was like, let me go ahead and use this in a table setup. What else? I feel like I'm forgetting to say something. Oh, I'm forgetting what I want to say. Because I know when I end this, and I'm going to remember. Okay, so we talked about the sponsorship thing. Told y'all, you know, the Christmas videos is coming. In here is, you know, it's organized. It's way better than it was, but I still am taking stuff back and forth to the storage. You know, I have some little stuff here that I'm not going to, I know I'm not going to use. Not right now anyway. Yeah. But I don't know, y'all. That's it. Share my videos, please. I know some of y'all be sharing them. And I don't know, that's it. But that is what's going on as far as sponsorships. You know, I'm not like making a big deal about it. I don't know, like, I'm just not. But that is it. Like I said, y'all, check out my recent videos that I did. You know, it was some good videos. I did the haul. We put up my Christmas tree. Y'all saw that. Okay, it's not decorated yet, but y'all saw that. And I refreshed my kitchen. I refreshed my kitchen. What else did I do? I did different styles for the console table. Gave y'all 6 different looks. Okay, did that. Oh, I did a guest bathroom refresh. Y'all can check that out, especially if this is your first time watching my channel. You know, y'all can just check out those videos. I'll put those in the description box. But that's it, y'all. I really don't have nothing else to say. I appreciate everyone who always watches. Give me the thumbs up. Y'all always do that. Leave nice comments. Share my videos. You know, I appreciate y'all. But it is your girl Sparkle, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.